Good morning, guys. Today is 1st of October 2022. It means that I'm going back to Malaysia today. What happened this morning? It's a nice day. I'll be missing Singapore. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in to The Rush Stop Sembang Just Run. So in this episode, it's more about what I've experienced in National University of Singapore. Thank you so much. I'm taking this opportunity to say thank you, to say that I am thankful and delighted to be a part of the team and the participants of this executive course of evaluation leaders. So some of the key takeaways that I probably want to take back after attending the 2 weeks course is to really implement the theory of change and to look back at the mapping of our key stakeholders who are involved in monitoring and evaluation.
It has been a great privilege and an endeavor here at the Lee Kuan Yew School of Public Policy under the National University of Singapore. The course on ExCEL training has really enlightened my capacity in understanding the importance of evaluation. It's really helped me to go back to my country to ensure that we have a diversified evaluation culture within the system of government.
Yes, so it is a pleasure to be part of this ExCEL training course. The key takeaway is that most of us, we are to a certain extent are aware already of the evaluation conceptually. This training course shows us the same concept but from the perspective of the realistic practical point of view. And at the same time, what interests me the most is that we actually find out we're not alone with some challenges that other countries, other colleagues face similar challenges as well. But they also have different ways of tackle a similar problem. So that's one of the important key takeaway that I learned from this one. Most importantly, beyond these knowledge, we have a community of expertise and a sense of friendship that we will stay in touch and hopefully keep our knowledge refreshed and keep on updating about the progress and exciting journey that we shared together.
A few takeaways from me. Evaluations are possible. Evaluations can be done in our countries and can be useful to really inform the future of the programs that we do. But it's not so easy. There are challenges ahead. We need to place evaluation in the right spot. We need to have the right people by our sides. So we learned about negotiation skills. We learned about how to better identify the key stakeholders that are going to be our advocates as well. We also learned how to do our job better. We learned about how to better draft an evaluation plan, evaluation terms of reference, how to better engage so that we make sure that the evaluations that we lead are of good quality and really informative to the governments. So I think it's a first step in the right direction, and I encourage people who might be interested in valuation to follow the work that we're doing with UNICEF and the governments in Southeast Asia.
It's an eye-opener. It leads me ways on how to do evaluation, and it gives me more to give to people, more to share, and then it's actually giving me more credibility and also confidence to deal with evaluation in Malaysia. Thank you so much.
It is an excellent opportunity to meet people, especially after the more than 2 year COVID, especially to see more than 10 countries participants come in to share their experiences and also learn some principles of evaluation. This is the beginning of a new movement of the world across UN nations, and hopefully this is also the core peacemaking event to initiate more collaborations.
Go ExCEL! All right, thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot. Go ExCEL! Go ExCEL! Okay, thanks a lot.
Thank Harris for creating me a chance to say something. ExCEL is excellent. As you say, ExCEL, excellent. And one thing is quantitative is an important thing for your life. You must learn quantitative things. Bye.
Yeah, so thanks our friend to come for together in ExCEL. ExCEL, you are seeing that it's a really great cause that we gonna be keep in touch. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Your turn.
Yeah, thank you, Shell, for letting me to meet you. Thank you very much.
All right, good. Thank you. Interview. All right.
Hi, I am from Laos. ExCEL training course that make me to meet Malaysian friends and other friends from 11 countries. Hello.
Thank you.
It was nice meeting you. I was wondering why I was picking on you. Then I realized there was a connection. It was nice meeting you and hope to continue.
Nice meeting you, Maria.
Yay.
Okay, anybody else want to say something? Oh, come back. No, you just did it. Just now. We did it. Let's say something.
Hi, thanks so much. It was so wonderful to meet you. It was such a great such a great meeting, and I hope my laugh didn't startle you too much.
All right, nice to meet you.
I don't know what to say, but thank you, Chaharis, because I think without your connection that we wouldn't be able to actually know Puan Masna, and also the all the functions that ICU has been doing all this while, and I hope that this will be just a starting point for future collaboration with UNICEF Malaysia. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Alia.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Thank you very much UNICEF Malaysia for giving me the opportunity to further learn about evaluation. But this course is special for me because of its nature. It's an evaluation for leaders. So I am very glad to consider myself as one of the evaluation leaders in Malaysia. But inshallah, I hope there will be many more evaluation leaders in Malaysia. And number two, what I really like to say is that I think attending this course has actually built sort of a relationship between not only UNICEF but between the university and ICU especially. So I'm really glad to be meeting Cik Haris and Puan Masna from ICU, the Prime Minister's Department, and I can really see the way we are going forward, inshallah.
The video, yeah. Alright.
Very sophisticated. And we have Nilo Sada.
Can you please?
We have the group from Mongolia, Kurema.
Maybe as well.
Congratulations.
Stephanie from Papua New Guinea.
Look at that. Hello.